how to fix your mouse moving in the opposite or wrong direction on your Windows computer. So if your mouse is either moving to the left when it should be moving to the right, or it's just not moving in the way that it should be moving, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and solve this issue. Now, first thing you want to do is open up the Start menu on your computer, and then you can go and click on Settings. In the left-hand side, click on Bluetooth and Devices, and then scroll down and click on Mouse. Now, scroll down this page and go and click on Additional Mouse Settings. You can then click on Pointer Options and make sure Enhanced Pointer Precision is turned on. If you already have this turned on, then try turning this off and then go and press apply and OK. Now, if it's not working, then click back on Additional Mouse Settings, and this time we're going to click on Hardware. Now, select your mouse from the list and click on Properties. Now click on Change Settings, click on Driver and press Uninstall Device. You can then press Uninstall. Now, once you've done this, you can try disconnecting your mouse from your computer. You can try reconnecting it and checking if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, then open up the Start menu and search for Device Manager and click on this window here. From the list of options, click on the drop down arrow next to Mice and Other Pointing Devices. You should be able to find your mouse from this list, right click on it, click on Update Driver, press Browse My Computer for drivers, let me pick from a list of available drivers, click on the HID compliant mouse, press Next, and then close out of this window. If it's still not working, then right click on this again, click on Uninstall Device, click on Uninstall, and you'll also need to do the same for this second one as well. So basically anything that appears under Mice and Other Pointing Devices, you need to right click on it and press Uninstall, and then go and press Uninstall. Now once you've uninstalled all of these devices, your mouse is probably going to stop working. All you need to do is disconnect it and then reconnect it to your computer. You may also need to restart your computer as well, and that should have now solved the cursor issue. Now if it's still moving in the wrong direction, you can also try cleaning the sensor on the back of the mouse. Sometimes if you get dust or debris that gets stuck inside of here, this can also cause the mouse to move in the wrong direction. So that's it guys, let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.